Guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register and use ChatGPT for the beginners, right? So here right now I'm in the google.com. So basically you have to do nothing. You have to type ChatGPT, right? That is obvious. And just ChatGPT and just hit the enter, and basically you will get this OpenAI. So basically, if you don't know, ChatGPT is made by OpenAI, who made DALL-E and the other, mind-blowing AI, websites and all that. So we will just click here, which is the first link, and here you can see that try ChatGPT. So just click on here and you will be redirected to ChatGPT openai.com. And basically if you have an ID, right, if you have made an ID already, then just click on the login. I didn't have a made ID, and for the beginners I have to make ID, right? So just watch me, click on sign up, and here it will load, and basically you have to enter your email address. Okay, so I will just use a temporary email address just to show you guys right now, and click on the I'm not a robot, and after that I have to select the chimneys just to verify that I'm really not a robot. Okay, and just let me select it and just hit the verify, and that's it. I'm not a robot, of course. And here you'll get the option that is a continue with Google and continue with the Microsoft. So if you have a Google account, you want to use it, you can do that. And if you want to go with the Microsoft account, you can just click here and you can go it. So I will just click on the continue, and here I have to enter the password. So I will enter the password here, and that's it. And after that I will just click on the continue. So till now it's very easy, right? But the most fascinating and the awesome thing you will find it, that is ChatGPT. Just let me show you. So here you can see that we have to verify our email address. So it will be in your email address. You can see that I have got this, and just click here, and after that it will just verify. Okay, so let me open it in the another tab, and let's wait for a few seconds. So here we have to enter our name. Okay, so guys, this is my name, and after that I will just hit the continue button, and basically we have to verify with our phone number. Yes guys, we have to do it. Let's say, can we just make an account without our phone number? Well, no, that is not possible, so we have to make it, right? And just we have to verify with the OTP that will be sent to your phone number. So just let me show you. Okay, so did I have got any OTP till now? Well, yes, I've got it. So I will just enter here 581966. Okay, and just hit the enter, guys. It's pretty easy as you make the other website in your ID, right? And here it will load for a few seconds, so you have to wait patiently. And this is pretty easy, guys. This is very easy just to make the ID. And if you, as I told you, if you have a login ID, if you have made this ID before, then you can just log in into the ChatGPT. Okay, so guys, right now I'm in the ChatGPT, and this is completely a free research preview. So I will just hit the next button, then I will hit the next button, and you can just read if you want, right? So here you can see the bottom, you can just search anything. Basically you can see the examples here and the capabilities what the ChatGPT can do. So let's say if I just search here that how can I defeat ChatGPT, okay, and I will just hit the enter, and you can see that it is not appropriate to try or defame. So here ChatGPT will try to give me the answer, and this is completely mind-blowing, right? you can just read the answer and it is almost nearly to perfect. So if you just search your question, if you search even your school question or the college question, you will find able the answer, right? So let's say if I just search here that how to go live on Instagram, right? And if I hit the enter, let's say, so it's still okay. So here I will hit the enter and let's say if you give the answer, so you can see he is literally giving me the answer, right? So he is just giving the steps that you have to open your Instagram app, then you have to go to the camera icon and everything. So you can just it's depend upon the creativity of you. You can use it in a very different way. If you want to have a script, you can just make it. If you want to make an article, you can do it from here, right? So it's pretty easy, guys. So this is it. So you're basically, it's depend upon you, just whatever the question you are getting in your mind. If you want to search here any specific question, just search here, just type here, and this is pretty easy, right? So this is it. And here on the left side you can see that there are many more. If you want to clear the conversation, just click on clear and everything will be clear, right? And here you can open you can just link with the Discord, so you can do the same thing. And here you can just read and everything. You can log out and just click on in new chat, and after that this is already chat, right? So basically you can just keep creating new chat, and in this way it will be really in a systematic manner. So this is it. If you found this video really interesting, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video.